Today I'm going to show you how you can fix invisible WhatsApp notifications in the VIVO Y19. So if you don't see your WhatsApp alert at the start, always check your DND mode. So open the menu from the bottom of the screen, and now just look for the Do Not Disturb mode icon. Now make sure that you have this feature activated, because sometimes you can just enable it by the misclick and miss it, so just check it. Now in the next step, hold the finger on the WhatsApp icon. Okay, not on this device, we have to open the settings. Then go to the apps. Applications and permissions, and go to the app manager. Now look for the WhatsApp and start from the notification. Of course, you have to turn it on, all of the switchers. In the next step, try to clear the cache files of your app, so go to the storage, choose the clear cache. If you still don't have your alerts, make the backup of your messages and tap on the clear data. After that, you have to log in again to the WhatsApp and check your notifications. If you still don't have it, try to reset your network settings. So go to the settings, then go to the system management and select the backup and reset. Now choose the reset network settings, tap on the reset settings and tap on this button again. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.